again. Tonight I'm going to make my first attempt at pouring over a rock. Now I've got this garden rock. I have coated it in gesso and allowed it to dry, and now I am going to pour over it and see what I can create. In my little cup here I have got white, titanium white, rose madder and gold. Just the three colours. I'll see how they come out, so I'm going to pour those over the rock. Make a wee spout with my cup and pour just backwards and forwards across the rock, starting at one end and moving my way back. I like the pattern that's coming out already, but I'm looking forward to getting some white. Doesn't seem to want to come. There we go. Do some white stripes across there. Oh wow, and some cells. I'm going to just leave that to sit and drain and see what forms from that. I know from watching other videos that it takes a while for those colours to merge over the rock. Probably pay me to give it a bit of a blow torch. I can see tiny little bubbles on there now. Don't want to slow down the movement of the paint, so that will do. Rather than waste the paint runoff, I've decided to see if I can just tip the paint from the previous rock pour over a second rock, which I have also gessoed and allowed to dry. I'm just going to pour the paint straight from the paper that it was caught on in the first place and see what happens. Looks like I'm going to end up with a very pink rock. When I've finished that, which I think I will stop now, I'll just move that paint around a little so that I can get a nice skin from it. Loving the gold. Right, move it down a little. Move it back towards the centre. Okay, I'll let that dry as a skin. And I've decided to break up the colour on. I was going to try for navy blue, but I think I might just try a little black and see what happens there. Just a little black dot straight across the centre. Okay, don't want my shadow going across it too much, so it'll be interesting to see now what forms from that one. So I will finish the video now. Thank you very much for joining me again, and I will bring the camera down for some close-up shots and maybe one or two still shots as well. Bye.